This market's weird.
Well, you just play it. You play it. You play to win. I win. You win. We all win.
I'm up like a nice 1.5% ish today. The problem is my fucking Webull account is like not calculating the numbers properly. So it says like 0.8 when it's actually like 1.5. I don't know why it's doing that.
Okay. Yeah. I'm doing okay. 11.17 on the port today.
You're a fucking animal.
He's having fun. Okay. All right. What is going on? How's everybody doing?
What up, team? How we doing? It's been a fun day. I mean, you guys saw a couple of the trades that I took. Tesla, NVIDIA. I actually touched NVIDIA again, and then SPY. So I made 4 trades today, and now I'm definitely done.
Yeah.
I like 3. I like 3 or less is usually what I like.
All right, let's do this. Let's help somebody out with this 3-minute SPY play. You came in. You got in. You played the retracement. You hit this level. Now, question is, right, when does the play end? Well, the play could end right now. Go ahead and secure that bag. I mean, what's wrong with that? What are we looking at here? That's a 61 cent move.
Mm-hmm.
You're right at a level.
Mm-hmm.
Don't fuck around and find out.
Gabe, that was the trade that I was in that I had my, like, after I scaled out, my stop got hit, and then it does that.
There you go. So here's the thing, right? You had, let's see here. This is a case of where there's not a step 1 in this play because thigh gap did not lead us into anything.
Right.
So this becomes a 2-part play. You secure the bag here. There's another entry somewhere. Where is that entry? The call signal, if it happens.
But yeah, I don't think you're going to... The call signal on... Well, it already happened, I think.
Yeah, you're already in the call signal.
Yeah, you're already in it. I mean, I was in this one on the traffic light, scalped it for some nice money, but other than that, like...
Yeah. There you go. You're already in the call signal. You scalp it, make some money. You're done.
Yeah, we've been in a call since pre-market on the 3.
Well, I mean, it got fucking hammered down.
This market's weird. It just seems weird. Like it's moving with like a weird cadence.
Yes. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. This candle here is gonna be freaking. Let's draw this out.
I was ditching mine right around 412.50, and my buys were like 412.30. I literally was just scalping it, like bing, 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 bing.
Yeah.
Are you drawing pictures on the chart over there? What is this? What is this?
I'm drawing a red candle here. That's your next candle down.
It might.
17.
What?
Yeah. 17 seconds to candle close.
Yeah, I mean, if it gets that close over 412.87, I mean, this thing's looking like it wants to get cooked here. So we'll see.
Yeah.
Tessie coming up for air, though. Tessie just closed above its 13 on the 3-minute here. That's a bit spicy.
Caught a red candle.
And right back down.
Yeah. Wait for that candle close. But that's why I don't now that candle is giving me so much uncertainty. That's why I like to just close out at levels.
Mm-hmm.
Right? You say, oh, he sold too soon. What's the opposite of it? You end up losing money.
Mm-hmm.
Guarantee the money.
Exactly. Put it back in the cash account or the cash balance.
So this is on a 5 cadence. So if you didn't get the candle on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're probably getting it on 6. So it's the 3, 5, 7. You're either getting it on the 5th candle or the 6th candle. You're either getting it on the 3rd or the 4th, or you're either getting it on the 7th and 8th. But that's what the 3, 5, 7 rule is. So yeah, I'm expecting a red candle. All right. With that SPY play, Daily Go hit, and I'm done for the day. John
There you go.
Casciola. Nice.
There you go. Nice and easy there.
Just simple stuff.
Yeah, easy. Nice, easy scalps.
Yes.
Make your money.
But John didn't make it clear, though. I was like, what's your goal? He was like 25. I'm like, 25 or 2.5? He wants to live up to his name, Casciola.
25% in the day on the account. That's a bit nuts.
Okay,
I probably 2%. There you go. That's good.
There you go.
I like 2% days. 2% days are nice.
There you go. There you go. It was weird. I posted it like 10 times. I know. Oh, so YouTube, they throttled you. They were like, stop spamming with your percentages.
That's what YouTube does.
Yeah. There you go. I was anticipating a red candle. We got a nice one. Right there on the spy.
Shark! Yeah, down through that level there too.
Yeah.
Let's see. Dude, these midday, the midday is always so slow. Just in terms of like price action. Like that was a little bit of fun right there, but other than that, I mean, I'm done. Should we open up the lines for the people to start calling? Also, I don't want to see any slacking on the like button on this channel, team. I don't want to see that.
Let's make sure we are connected. Yes, we are connected. And so 978-545-1348. Come on, give us a ring.
Winning losers firing on all cylinders today. Well, what are you up? Like 50%?
What happened? You get your cousin pregnant this time?
Oh, it's always a fun time around here. Oh, guys, Gabe and I are talking about some new types of videos for you guys. I think you're really going to like them.
Yeah. I'm really going to unleash my inner douchebag. I have to.
It's going to be fun. It's like what you guys see in some of the shorts, but like in a long form video.
Yeah. Says no, my mom.
Jesus Christ. Winning loser, bro. You need like.
Might as well, since he has to be already fucked your dad.
Dude, this guy's a wild boy. All right, let's see. Spy, dark light on the thigh gap, but I wouldn't touch that. Oh, 2 minute did the same thing. Is the 3 minute doing it? Yeah. 3 minutes doing it. Ah!
Yeah, that candle. I tell you guys, man, this is why I love levels. I love me some levels. You had a cadence here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was your candle.
Mm-hmm.
Right? It was hiding. It was like, okay, well, yeah, the candle's not done yet. Finished, and then boom, right back down. But you guys know this because we teach you this.
Exactly. Exactly.
Oh. Man. How many people do we have in the stream? 77?
Not bad. New channel.
Yeah.
Guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. All of you guys in here right now should be hitting it. Costs you nothing. Helps us a whole lot getting these streams out to more people. Up 3.6% on the port for the day and walking away. Good shit, winning loser. That's good.
Let's see. Let's see. 978-545-1348. Let's go. Let's get you some. Somebody call in.
Let's do it.
Chris, there you go. I rewatched this morning's master stream. Breaking the trade into 3 parts is amazing.
Yes. Nice. There you go. Yeah, guys, make sure that you guys are in master. We had Gabe's stream this morning, was great. The trading psychology one last night, I think, helped out a fuckload of you guys. We have another video coming out about that this afternoon.
Yep.
There you go. You could call, but I don't know what you should call in about. Yeah, all of you guys that might be struggling here. I mean, I think there's a very small percentage of you guys that are struggling, but I mean, you guys have questions, let us know. Or else we're just going to sit here screwing around watching the market.
There you go. And Japan, thank you. She said she loved the master stream. Yes.
There you go.
Yes. Boring trader. What's up? Man, they're not calling in because, winning and loser just set the bar so high for them. They're like, we don't have any degenerate stories.
Mm-hmm.
So I get it. But we could
I'll
still talk about your traits, talk about your successes, maybe something that you're having a little problems with, right? I mean, oh, by the way, who in here is actually journaling?
This is a good question.
Dum, 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 dum. Let's see, silence, crickets.
You guys should all be journaling your traits. Let's see. Are your, what do you call it? Are your master tutorials available to all? No. It's just for the master tier. Just for master class.
Nice.
Let's see. Not you, DC fan for life. You should. You should be. You were journaling before you started the challenge? Yeah, Tyler, but that challenge journals for you, doesn't it? Like, it tells you what you're doing. So if you have a software that's tracking your trades that you can just look at, you don't have to manually journal them yourselves. You journal all trades and all accounts. There you go. Played a call on DraftKings on the 3-minute, got in 1150. That's a good question. Let's take a look at this.
Yes, sir. I love it.
Call on the 3-minute at 1150.
1150. And oh Jesus!
I mean,
Christ.
this is a thought. So that's a textbook thigh gap trade if you look at it. The retest isn't bad. The MACD is still losing that bearish momentum. RSI is still above 50, but it's pitching down. So with these retest guys, you don't want to just blindly buy it off the EMA. You want to wait for it to start making that move off in the direction that you want.
But wait. Okay.
Thigh gap is still looking okay. The next candle, though, it goes dark light. That should have been your signal to get out.
Yeah. Trying to see here. This is another great example. All right, let's do this. Let me expand this. Right. So you're looking at this trade here, right? You don't have agreement. You don't. You don't have agreement to the upside just yet. Right? You're still bearish here. 1 second. Now, I marked this candle for you. Look where you entered.
They were a couple candles later at 1150.
Oh, that's 1148 right here.
Yeah,
doesn't matter. You were already signaled in a downtrend.
Right, you're losing that trend right there. So that one, if you were playing 3-minute thigh gap, you would have blasted it and had an amazing trade. But if, well, like Gabe has been saying, go back to the 1 minute and look. If the indicators are not in agreement, it's not a trade.
Yeah. And this one here. Oh, STV. You ready? Boys and girls, count with me.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Happened after 5. On the 3-minute, this plate matured already. Broke all kinds of levels. You had to suspect that there was going to be a doom candle there.
Yeah, Christian has an interesting question. Now, won't all retests show a reversal on the 1 minute? They can, but like I said earlier, you can't just blindly buy the retest as it's touching. You need to see it start to make a move up off of that level.
Yeah.
Are you using Webull to chart? No, we're using our trading view charts that we give all of our members.
Yes. Rewatching and retesting entries masterclass. Priceless. There you go. Jump.
J-Time journals all trades and you do it on Saturdays so you can study. That's awesome. Those of you guys that are putting in that extra effort in the market and actually taking it seriously are the ones that are going to have success. Simple as that. You can't approach the market and say, oh, I'm just going to come in willy-nilly and not learn from my... No. You need to be very, very, very focused on what you're doing.
Yep. So this here was a chase, unfortunately. The traffic light came in a little too late here on a 3-minute. It's DraftKings too. I mean, remember we talked about it in the stream earlier? Who was in the stream earlier when I said I don't like DraftKings cadence here because of this? This here was nonsense.
That would have been a great 3-minute thigh gap trade.
It would have. Absolutely. Let's see.
Very similar. If you pull up NVIDIA too, I can show you guys the trade that I took today. It's the same thing. For those of you guys that need a 3-minute thigh gap refresher, if you look at NVIDIA, you'll be able to see exactly where it was. It's very, very, very simple. It's at, what do you call it? 11:18.
Let's go. Let me remove that check mark. Hit a check mark here.
There were two great thigh gap trades on NVIDIA today. There was the one to the downside, and then there was the nice little baby scalp back to the 13, which, again, I tell you guys all the time, where do you think I'm getting them? Right at the 13. I'm taking some of the money off right at the 13. So you could have hit that trade to the downside. I actually played it back up after the aggressive move down off of that level.
There you go.
Which that was two levels of confirmation. So I've told you guys about this before with thigh gap. The best thigh gap trades that I see that give me the most confidence are when they're consolidating at a level after a big move and thigh gap goes dark light. Those are my favorite. You can see that Gabe has that level there too. That was a level that I was watching. Perfect.
Mm-hmm. This level here?
Yeah, that one.
Nice. Yeah, 275. It was at 275.20. 5-minute spotlight at 11:30.
Where's that? 5-minute light? I mean, that's if you're trading 5-minute traffic lights, you need a week of time.
Mm-hmm.
So that's not going to move very much on you. Like if you see this and it goes boom, I mean, you can watch the 24. As soon as it breaks that 24, you're out with a very minimal loss.
You see that 24 there? That's why we put so much emphasis on the 24.
Yeah.
You guys, okay, let me make this very, 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 very clear. Right. Let me make STV bigger. Yeah, there you go. She likes them big. You're not allowed to play thigh gap unless you know what your exit is. Your exit's to 24.
For a stop out, right?
Yep. That's your exit.
You're probably going to be above the 24 most of the time. Or below on thigh gap.
I'm sorry.
On a
traffic lights. I'm talking about
traffic
lights. You're not allowed to play traffic lights unless you are respecting the 24.
Yeah.
If you can't do that, then just don't play traffic lights.
Doing it with thigh gap is easy. It's dark light or break of the level above or below. It's so simple.
Conceding me.
Not Anon. You should hop into the platform, man. It's $5 for your first month.
Yes.
Come to Prince City, man. The platform's built for people like you.
I'm going to show you guys. Again, we're going to reiterate the power of the 24. Even if you are on the 5-minute, you have a traffic light here, right? To the downside on the 5-minute. Obviously, this one would keep you in that play because you're still below the 24. You're good. This candle just breaks right above, right? You're done. You're done, right? Comes right back down. You see you entered here. You're done here. It goes up. Why deal with that emotional damage, right? So then it comes back down, breaks to 24, gives you another traffic light, right? You're like, oh my God, this could actually go my way. No. You get another break here. And then now it ran away from you. If you're not willing to cut your losses based on these rules that we're giving you, you're never going to succeed in the market.
Mm-hmm.
You're just never going to succeed.
That is such a core concept of the trading psychology video that I recorded for you guys too. It is so paramount. You have rules, you don't follow them, you're fucked. It's like the sniper example.
Follow the rules. you're going to do really well.
Here's the other thing too. If you break that 24 and you come back up and you get a traffic light to the upside and you want the market to come down, what has to happen in order for the market to actually come down if it stops you out with a traffic light? Another fucking traffic light. So why are you holding it through the up light into the it doesn't make sense. Follow the rules, please. You will have success. This is why we've created this system for you guys, because those people out there that don't follow the rules outside of the community get fucked. When you're in the community, you have the rules. You're welcome. You have everything.
You have everything. You have everything.
Tessie looks interesting. It's not a trade right now, but it does look interesting.
Let's see. Looking at Tesla. Ooh, okay. We're going to go 3 minute. Okay. So this is Tessie here. Now, here's the deal. You had this traffic light. You've been in this put. You got spoiled, right?
Mm-hmm.
The thing is, again, once this candle closes and breaks above the 24, you're done. And it makes a lot of sense that this is bound to happen by virtue of RSI being above its moving average, showing weakness with thigh gap, and you got the SAR indicator saying like, hey, we're going green. Now, if you do not get a break of the 13, if you don't get that break, you're good. You get that break, you can hold it as you're looking here. You can hold it. 24 right there. You're still holding right now, right?
Here's what I would expect on Tesla. It's not going to do anything for like the next hour and a half. But the fact that it's consolidating like this leads to the potential for an interesting reversal move going into the end of the day.
Well, she's already flirting with that 24.
She's peaking.
She's already flirting with that 24, and it's the first time since 11 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So keep an eye on that 24, guys. If you're still in this play and you want to preserve most of your money, keep an eye on that 24.
Yeah. And Tyler, we can't really walk you through any trades that you're already in. That's like,
and they're Forex.
Our stuff works on Forex, though.
Yeah, it works on our stuff works on everything.
Mm-hmm.
It'll work on your mother too. Yeah, winning loser knows a thing or two about.
Winning loser knows all about that.
Paper Rep says, winning loser, don't call it. Make me feel icky. Oh, man, that's fun. So, yeah, Tesla's fun. Tesla's fun. Again, it's going to get interesting. I think so.
Tessie, I think it could. Especially if the market pumps from here.
What goes down must come up. What goes up must come down. Yeah. Dude,
that's got to be some bullshit. Hold on.
What?
What the? Why am I in a trade? See, it keeps doing it. I keep leaving bullshit trades out there that I shouldn't have out.
It sounds like a dude denying his children. I have so many kids out there I shouldn't have.
Dude, I don't know. All right, we'll see. Whatever. YOLO.
Oh no. Oh no. Icky Ricky. Winning loser, really? Oh. Oh boy. So the 3 minute is showing us a potential MACD cross with Tesla. You break that 24, it's game on. If not, you continue lower, but this shall be fun. I think I might be playing this, STV.
Tesla?
Yeah, once we break that 24.
I mean, I'm done for the day. I've said I'm done for the day, so I need to be done for the day. But other than that, I mean, I'm probably just going to let stuff go and just not touch it. But it does look interesting.
It does. You see, you got a level here at 164.12, and you have a level here at 165.37. I'd be willing to play it to 165.37 if we get a break at the 24.
Yeah.
I'm good with that.
It looks like a good trade.
It does. It's hard to say done for the day.
It really is. But I am done for the day.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Let's see. Yeah, this might be happening.
Where is it? Let me look.
What about the level at 164.12? I have that level there. But the thing is that if it breaks above the 24 as it stands right now, it's essentially going to break above this level almost immediately.
Yeah. It's just teetering right now. It's not really doing much.
No, it's caught in between the two EMAs, the 13 and the 24. I'm telling you, this is patience now. This is patience. I'm not going to front run this just because it looks like it's going up. And that's what a lot of you guys are doing. We're like, it looks like it's going up. I'm going to take it.
Needs the break. It needs that confirmation.
Oh, man. It looks like he's going to go. Man.
Why is nobody talking about AMC? Oh, because it's been done after 8. It's over. Over.
Let's talk about it. 494.
We tried to tell you, man. We tried.
I mean, if you bought puts, if you played puts, you got paid.
Mm-hmm.
But the apes don't want to hear that. They're like, no, we buy puts so the stock goes up.
Home Depot's ready. Home Depot's been an interesting one. I know we talked about that a little this morning. Oh, that thing was a gem.
Home Depot?
Yeah. Home Depot was a gem. We were talking about that one this morning. Little traffic light up, down, and then the big one.
Yes. And this, boys and girls, is why we use that 24. You had a traffic light down. You were wrong. Comes right back up to the 24. Accept it. The sooner you're out of this play, the sooner you can capitalize on this one.
Mm-hmm.
And my, oh my, was that a big run? Oh, anybody need more proof of concept?
I don't know. All those people sitting on the sidelines, I feel bad for them at this point, not trading with the charts and the traffic lights and everything.
Right? You go ahead and you see where that candle is breaking that 24, and then you got the traffic light down, right? You at the very least exit here, okay, and then look for another setup.
Mm-hmm.
At the very least, you exit right here. Don't question it. You're done, right? You get a traffic light down, okay. Are you going to take it? Well, by the time you get this alert, you're already on this candle, this green candle, and look where it's at. It's above the 24. So it invalidates it, right? Now you're sitting there thinking like, oh, man, if I would have held, I would have made a little more money. Well, see, here's the thing. If you actually made it back to the 24, that means you did not pay attention to any of these indicators. You paid attention to nothing. So that's why we're trying to just drill you with the 24 here, because this is what's going to save you. Because, I mean, that gap reversal right here, MACD break here, lost momentum here. You have the SAR candles already saying bearish here, right? And if you did not believe in any of that, then you pay that price at the 24. Luckily, you still made money. Let's go ahead and see how much that was. Let me go ahead and measure this here. Even to the 24, that was $3.42. Not bad. You could have had a whole dollar more at $4.38.
Mm-hmm.
If you just respected that thigh gap there or the RSI break, even if you, as soon as you saw the RSI break, you still would have been at about like 395. Money made. So there's a reason why we're putting a lot of emphasis on the 24 guys is to protect you from yourself.
I like the 24 a lot.
Yes. DM Ohio in the chat. What's up, bro? I took a share position in Tesla. Oh, you went short, DM?
No, I think he's buying the dip.
Oh.
He did it on Netflix. He big balled it on Netflix in after hours off the earnings dip. Remember, Gabe, when we were talking about it, I was like, who the fuck was buying? Somebody had to have been buying. It was DM.
It was DM. DM. Oh, wow. DM. Let's see. DM. We got to make that sound cool. Dollar maker. Dollar maker. That's what DM is. He's a dollar maker. TGT on a daily.
It doesn't look bad. I looked at it. You're right at a level 161. But that traffic light down doesn't look terrible.
Traffic light followed by put immediately. There's something here. I would want to see a break of this level here.
That's what I think too.
Yeah, 161.02.
Yeah, I'd want to see that break.
There you go. The AR guy. Guess who's selling AMC starting tomorrow? Why not today?
Do what you got to do, man.
We
were screaming from the rooftops when the combined value was like 18.
Wait, is she selling covered calls?
I don't know. But we've been screaming it, dude, and people just didn't listen, and now they're all upset. Can't help stupid.
Oh, man. TGT, you know what? Mark this here, guys. It breaks this level. You might be in for some fun. But what's happening today? On a 3-minute, you got a traffic light down.
I don't hate that. What's it look like on the 5?
Let's look at it on the 5. Oh.
If that breaks the 200 and also gets a traffic light, I don't hate it.
Neither do I.
I was in the gym last week with my buddy, and I just had my phone out the entire time, and I was probably stalking puts on one of those days where the market was just ripping for like an hour. He's like, okay. What's wrong? I'm like, there's no way. Then I finally got it. And it was a move like that, where you're just looking for it to start to show weakness. You guys have all seen the swing trading videos that I've put out for you guys. If you're going to try and swing trade, don't do it until you watch those videos. You have to understand what you're getting yourself into.
Yeah. When's Target Wednesday earnings?
It's late in the cycle, so it's probably end of May, June.
Oh, really?
May 17th.
All right. I want a candle break of 161. And yeah, I'm riding her down
too.
I'm buying some puts 3 months out. My strike will be 152.
Yeah, they on their last earnings they got killed. Or 2 earnings ago, 13% down. Last earnings was 3.6, 3% down next day.
Oh,
so they haven't been doing very well on. Oh wow, they got really booty clapped on last May's earnings. Holy shit, yes. 25% death on Tiger.
I'm liking this.
I don't hate that. But if you zoom out on the daily, it's kind of just in this channel between like 183 and 137. It's just been kind of ping ponging back and forth. So you could end up seeing that move down into the 140s. That would be big though. That would be a big move for Tiger. You would need the help of the market, which is not out of the question.
No, it's not.
But that's the thing with swings, guys. You see that thought process where it's like, okay, we need the market to come. You're in this range on the daily. This could happen. You have earnings here. These are things that you have to understand. And we go in depth in them in that video. But like, you can't just willy-nilly buy off the chart. There's a little bit more analysis that you got to do.
Yes. Give me that 161. And oh my God, I am in there like septic shock.
Like, the daily could look great, but then you just don't know that they have earnings tomorrow or it's CPI the next day. And then, oops, you're fucked.
Yeah. Now, when you look at the 4-hour, you see how she's holding up really good. And the 4-hour is telling us something a little different here. That's why you need the break of 161.
A candle close. It hasn't done it. It has just wicked it a bunch of times.
Yes. A candle break and close. Absolutely. I'm liking this, honestly. I am not mad at it.
I don't hate it.
Ooh, I might go big on this one.
You might.
Yeah, just like I went big on CVS yesterday.
And AMD. You fucking killed AMD.
Yeah, these bitches paid.
You see how the swings are fun, man?
The swings are fun. You just really got to do your homework.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Baba on the daily? What's Baba look like? You guys remember the last time that I was in Baba calls. You can see it on the chart. Look at the last time that I was in Baba calls. Daily traffic the day before. Boom. That was off a 4-hour. But yeah, that doesn't
daily
look bad.
traffic light.
I like Baba to the upside when money rotates back into China stocks. It's like a Coinbase type move where like a crypto run, and it just goes whoop, right up. I like playing Baba to the upside.
You don't like playing it down?
No, just because the range is so big, and this is why I like try to stay away from
gap
stuff
that's
like
got to
Baba.
get filled here.
Yeah, it does. I mean, it could bounce off of there. The reason why is like I've like taken a stab at Coinbase a few times. Both trades would have worked really, really, really well if I was willing to take on more risk, which I am not.
Okay.
Like there was a Coinbase one, like I think it was this week where like it just gapped up to like 69, ran to 71, then finished the day at like 64. It's like, well, okay, yeah, I could have made a bunch of money if I just held through that, but like why? And then there was another one too where it's like, it's the same thing with Baba. Those gaps are interesting, but you can see that when it starts that upward move with momentum, it just fucking keeps going.
Yeah, I can't find a level on a daily. I'm gonna go to
on Baba, I've got one. I mean, I've got one almost right at the. It's like before the gap. It's like 80, 89, 88.
Okay. So you got an indecision candle right here that's happening right now with Baba in the market, but you do have 89.50. I wouldn't hate that too much.
That 4-hour traffic light down on Baba was dirty from 98 to 89. Like it moves a lot, but like with some of these swings, like you got to be careful with them. You like Baba and Coin, I will always size down on.
Ah, that's why. Here we go. Level here on the 4.
Ah, there we go.
So you got to break this level here. Let's go to the daily. So you would have to break. There's 2 levels you want to pay attention to. That's 91.37 and 89.49. 89.49 can get you down to 78 really quick. I don't know.
Look at Tesla.
It fucking happened.
Yep. We called it. I mean, hopefully some of you guys saw it, but I mean, that's just it's easy. That's an easy move right there. Moto, 11% on Tessie. Boom.
Look at that. We called it. We do this every day.
It's so simple.
And now you guys see the sacrifices we're making because I've paying attention to the stream.
Yeah, I was hunting that all day. Now I'm fucking around with you guys over here, and I missed the Tessie trade. Thanks.
Jeez. My God.
You're right at a level now, too. That would probably be where I'm. Oh, you're right at that 164.50.
Yeah.
DM probably hit it. Moto has a free 165 call for tomorrow. It's free. Good shit, buddy.
So this put, you broke the 24?
On what are you talking about?
We're talking about Tesla. We had this put. We had
Oh,
the
yeah.
candle break that 24. Just so happens to be a traffic light candle as well.
Yeah.
You played it to the upside really quick. You're golden.
It broke that little range, that 163.87 level that it couldn't get over. Right as it goes, bing, there you go.
Wait. Hold on. Got a Tesla call 185 for 15 days. Let's see.
That's aggressive. Hopefully you're using the chart strategy, but that makes no sense with the chart.
Josh.
What are you doing?
Okay. Not financial advice. Josh? What fucking world are you in, bro?
That's so deep out of the money. Like, so deep.
What world are you in, bro?
He's in buy the dip land. This is the thing, guys. We talk about this all the time. Anybody can make money in the market. Anybody can open up a Robinhood account and throw money and buy the dip. Oh, he said 165. Sorry, it was 165. Okay. If it's 15 days out with the traffic light and you're day trading it, I don't have a problem with that at all. If you're swinging it, that's when it becomes an issue.
So your 165's paid.
Yeah, he's printing. He's probably up like 4 or 5%.
Yeah.
You're right at that 164.50 level, though. If Tessie can break that 164.50, you might start to see a little spice.
Oh, man. We'll bring this right here to this level. That's what you need to break for a continued move down. This is really aggressive.
Yeah, it's an earnings drop right to the level.
Look where our side is at, too.
Cooked.
This could whipsaw right back at you.
Yeah. Hey, Tessie's pushing. It's flirting with that 164.50. It's chilling right on top of that 48 here. Let's see if it can get a move up.
You got earnings here. You had your move up. Earnings here. Had your move up. Damn. You had earnings.
Anything
here.
report after hours say? What happens today? Who has earnings today? Let's look. Earnings. I don't think it's anything. I think like a lot of the big names start next week. Earnings to end the week. Thursday. Nothing. Procter and Gamble tomorrow, and that's it.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Okay. So this is also, it gives me a chance to, okay, this is Tesla on the 4-hour, right? Traffic light. They're all on the 24.
Mm-hmm.
Don't trust it. Then we finally get this traffic light to the downside, and you're below the 24. That's what you trust. It worked. Please respect it. This was a monster move, though.
Yeah, that's a big earnings move.
Someone made
DM
bank.
played their earnings.
Someone made bank.
Tessie's trying.
There she goes.
She's trying. There goes 164.50 again.
Yeah, she's how'd I miss this trade? Fuck. And I'm not gonna chase it either. No way in hell am I chasing this.
Nah, I don't like it there.
Nope.
It's just flickering.
Yep.
I will take my money and run today. It's fine with me.
That's it. All right, Josh. Good stuff with 165. Be careful now. Oh man. If you can secure that bag, bro. Anything else, guys? Looking at anything else?
Nah, I don't see much. And Nancy looks interesting. But it already made the move. That's the thing. Like, it already made, like, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 NVIDIA trades today that you could have drilled. I hit 2 of them. Thoughts on the Pfizer traffic light down, daily earnings on the 2nd? Nah, I'm not, until earnings season's done, I don't really want it. I'm kind of out on the swings for now.
Ooh. I love this NVIDIA trade too.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Traffic light above 24. Beautiful. Right up to a level. Earnings on the 2nd.
Yeah.
How many trading days between now and earnings?
Not many. Especially if it's off a daily traffic light. You're getting contracts with a minimum time of 3 months to expiration. I wouldn't be fucking around too much with that. It's earnings season. It's a coin flip. You never know what can happen leading up into a company's earnings. They could report something early. Something crazy could come out. It just moves things all over the place.
Yeah, I agree.
Again, though, that doesn't look bad. The only thing is that thing is sold off a lot.
Oh, it has. It has. And you got a level here at 39.23?
Yeah.
Probably not worth it.
No.
Heavy open interest, 29 days out.
What strike is it? Fifth trader. And heavy open interest, unless it's like unusual volume coming in, that can only be used in confluence with the chart. You can't trade solely based off that. I know that's what you're doing. I just want everybody to know that. Open interest, I probably wouldn't. 40. Okay. Open interest, I probably wouldn't use. I would say looking at the orders coming in would probably be a better thing to look at, because I can look at HYG's option chain right now, the high yield corporate bond ETF. And the open interest is going to be like 200,000. Like, it's insane. And so you need to look at the orders as they're coming in and not necessarily what's sitting there already, because those contracts could have been bought years ago, like 2 years ago. You don't know.
Yeah, you really need to give yourself a lot of time. HER is only 60 cents.
Yeah, I hit Pfizer a couple months ago for like 120% off like a $2 move or something.
Wow. Okay.
It might have been, what date is, Gabe? What's the date of that last one big yellow traffic light? January?
January 4th.
So that was the trade that I was in.
Okay.
I think it was in the 40s then. I don't remember.
40-cent ATR?
No. I think the stock was in the 40s, like 46, 44, something like that. That's what I remember it being.
Okay.
Was it? Oh, this was, 50, 49. Yeah. So I drilled that move basically down to that 200 EMA.
Got it. I don't hate it, but
that's not, that stock is not something that I would really look for to the downside. When I swing, guys, and I think Gabe would probably agree with some of this too, I look for very similar things to what I look for on 3-minute thigh gap extension.
Yeah.
I want to see it basically completing a giant like a buying spree or a giant selling spree and looking like it's about to come back up the other way. At this point, when it just tries to come up and then is knifing back down, I would assume that is just going to chop around in the range that it's in. And you have earnings coming up. That also kind of keeps me away from it too.
STV, if you would have had thigh gap back then, you would have gotten in at 53.
That's a good one. The daily thigh gap reversal, I don't like as much. The weekly is probably what I like the best if I'm going to use it for leaps or buying shares. Because the daily candles are just so big that they're kind of hard to they're hard to like get a good like front run the entry. That's why I stick to traffic lights.
Yeah. Okay.
Because you can look at a lot of examples in the past where it like flickers around, dark light. It's almost like the 1 minute.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, damn. My phone isn't connected, but we have a winning loser calling. But my phone's not connected, so.
Not today, buddy. Maybe Friday.
Oh, man. Let's see here.
Let's see here.
SPY trying to bend?
Yeah, it is. Little bit, nothing crazy. Tessie got knocked down too. So what did we say about that 164.50, guys? Line in the sand. Ooh. That's why we don't chase that. We don't do any of that nonsense. If we don't get our entry, we're not chasing it.
Exactly. We're not chasing it. We are not chasing it. So that's SPY. Let's what were we looking at previous? Was it NVIDIA?
We were looking at NVIDIA for a minute. Is that retesting the two? NVIDIA is moving nicely today. I mean, the thing about NVIDIA is in like Netflix and a couple of the other ones is that thing will wick on you. Like you can see it in the morning. That thing was wicking. That's why I was looking more so at AMD for that initial reversal. It was pretty clean down to the 13.
Yeah.
But like AMD's holding up real strong today. Marky Mark, 16% on the SPY. Good shit, buddy.
Hey, anyone in this NVIDIA, be mindful of like this level. Now you're going to start thinking about like protecting profits. But you got thigh gap entry, traffic light entry, call entry, 3 parts. Yeah, sensitivity at this level would force me to go ahead and like close my position here.
It's a lot of consolidation and 3-minute thigh gaps telling you to go fuck yourself.
Yeah. So anyone in NVIDIA right now, save yourself the headache.
Yep. You already caught a nice move. We're not trying to get rich in a day.
No. 60% on the SPY. That's awesome. All right. Well, boys and girls, me and your white boy over here have to go. We got videos to make.
Trading psychology video around 4 p.m. today. Get ready for that announcement.
That'll be fun. All right, peoples. Peace.
Peace. Bye. Later. See ya.
This shit never gets old. It never gets old. All right, guys. Peace.
Peace.